Hey there, welcome back to Explody FPS. Today I will help you fix the message some settings are hidden or managed by your organization. This issue often pop up due to group policy or registry editor changes. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step to resolve it. Let's dive in. But please follow these steps carefully, especially when making changes in the group policy or registry editor. Mistaken can impact your system functionality. So proceed at your own risk. And the second thing is, if you are using somewhere like Office PC or somewhere else, then contact your administrator organization to resolve your issue. Otherwise, you don't have the permissions. So the thing is, you can see some of these settings are hidden, are managed by your organization. This is not error. It's something that you did just unfortunately, even though it's my setting. Privacy and then background application. You can see some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organization. So if you are the admin means you are using the account that you have and that you have full permissions, right? Currently, I'm using an administrative account that's my own PC. So definitely, anyways. Now let me try to explain it in steps so it will be easier for you to understand the issue and how to resolve it. GP edit, or policy editor, or registry, even both are same, work in the same way almost. So the thing is, you need to know that the part of this, the background application, or even though the whole this scenario all in administrative templates. Because whenever you create a new user account, you will get again the new settings. So in this scenario, definitely you will see new settings in every new user account. That means it's administrative templates. And if it's related to the Windows settings, something like drivers. If, suppose I go into the settings like over here, properties, and then you will see here the advanced system settings, and then these changes like settings, performance, advanced virtualization, even data execution, and not only this, but device manager, all these tool settings, it's all related to the Windows settings. Now, what we are going to do, we need to find the setting that is over here, privacy. And then you will see here the background applications. It's in the privacy settings, and then in the privacy, and then background applications. So what we are going to do here again, open the group policy editor, and then we will go into the administrative templates, because it's a user settings. Once you are here, you need to find here the Windows component now. Again, it's related to the Windows. It's not something like third-party software or something like that. So Windows, and then you see here all the settings, like add features to Windows, ActiveX install service, app runtime, application compatibility, some other, but you can watch that later. Right now we need to go into the app privacy. As I told you, it's over here in the privacy section. Right now, the next step is we need to find the background apps. Now in the registry settings, you will see like this interface. Now we need to find here the background application related settings. So you can also see from here, like if you click on the stats upward arrow, you will see here on the top the changes that making causes. Let's Windows app run in the background. And this is the same function, guys, right? Just double tab on it and then set it to disable. Or even not configured. Not configured. Basically, it's default setting. Enable means you are doing something different in it. Like use is in control force, allow for staining, and then disable means this is totally not working. Which also you can say it's something that you are not doing anything with this. You can read over here if you disable or do not configure. This policy settings employees in your organization can decide whether Windows apps can run in the background by using settings. Privacy on the device. Right? You can set it to disable or not configure. Both will be same. Now close. This again, open the settings and then privacy. Scroll down, background apps, and see it's working now. Now it's like in a user control, user can decide enable, whether disable, it's your choice. And that's it. You can do these changes without any hesitation. It will work. If you have any other question, let me know in the comments section. I'll guide you further. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.